Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Malaysian, you probably realized that the big apps don't teach this language. And if you find an app that teaches Malaysian, most of the time, it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Malaysian. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the app today. We've also added timestamps so you can look at all of our key features quickly. Now, let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is cheaper for them, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from the other apps. Ling works with native speakers to create the courses and to record audio for you. This is really good for every language, but especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one without having to go out and meet with a native speaker face to face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you, they built their lessons around context. Understanding what, where, when, and why is the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to progress through your learning journey. The sentences you learn first are the ones you get to use right away, like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. But being completely honest, even if the lessons are great, staying motivated must be the hardest part of learning a new language. That's why I really like Ling's banana points and streak features. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and help you progress better. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. These aren't just for you to see, they push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, which motivates you just the right amount to open the app at least once a day, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all these features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and it gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody so that you're already confident when the time comes that you use the language. It's the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. It also makes sure you aren't just learning how to speak the language. It also includes grammar notes that explain the logic behind the sentences in between the gamified lessons. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language and finally speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial. Have a good language learning journey.